So Ras proteins are of huge interest to researchers because Ras genes are the most frequently mutated genes in human cancer. In fact, Ras mutations are found in 20% of tumors, and for certain cancers like lung, colon, and pancreatic cancer, the mutation rates are even higher. So Ras is a family of GTP-activated proteins that are involved in transmitting signals within cells. The Ras signal is switched on by the binding of GTP, and it's switched off when GTP is hydrolyzed to GDP. It's kind of like a molecular switch that regulates downstream pathways which control cell growth, cell differentiation, and cell survival. So Ras mutations can cause cancer because mutations in the Ras gene impair the switch in the protein from being turned off. The protein becomes essentially locked in the active state so that it's constantly sending a signal downstream for cell growth and proliferation. The result is overactive growth that causes cancer. As you can imagine, such an important cancer-causing protein would be a huge target for cancer-fighting drugs. However, despite Ras oncogenes having been identified since the early 1980s, for a very long time, no one could figure out how to turn the mutant protein off. Many people even called it an undruggable protein. Then in 2013, researchers in the Showcat lab at UC San Francisco used some very clever techniques to find a compound that could selectively inhibit one of the Ras mutants. This opened the door for other researchers to discover more Ras-inhibiting compounds. Since then, many pharmaceutical companies have been developing drugs which inhibit mutant Ras and can potentially treat these cancers. In 2021, Amgen was the first company to receive FDA approval for a Ras-inhibiting drug called sotorasib. So active Motif's Ras-GTPase chemi-ELISA can be used to measure Ras in cell and tissue extracts. Most of our customers are using the assay to screen for compounds that selectively inhibit mutant Ras in cell lysates, or they use it to quantify the response of tumors to mutant Ras inhibiting compounds.